Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. Today we are dividing into a fundamental concepts in computer networking, the OSI reference model, or as it's often called as the 7-layer model. So the OSI model stands for the Open System Interconnection Model. It is an abstract framework used to understand and implement network communication. Think of it as a blueprint for how different network protocols should work together. The OSI model was developed as part of the Open System Interconnection Initiative to standardize the communication. And also, the OSI models helps to cross the diverse system and ensuring that devices and protocols from various manufacturers can communicate seamlessly. The OSI model divides the network communication into 7 layers, each with a specific role from the top to bottom. So there are 7 layers. First layer will be the physical layer, then data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, and the application layer. Application layer. This is where user interaction happens. For example, when you browse the web or send an email, it starts from the application layer and then it comes to the presentation layer. So this layer ensures that the data is in a readable format for the application layer. It handles encryption, compression, and translation of the data formats. And the third one is the sessions layer. So in the session layer, responsible for establishing, managing, and terminating sessions between the applications. And then comes with the transport layer. The transport layer ensures reliable data transfer through error detection, flow control, and data segmentation. And the next one is the network layer. The network layer handles data routing, addressing, and delivery across network. It's like a GPS for the data packets. And then next one is the data link layer. It ensures error-free data transfer between the uh, between two directly connected nodes and manage the framing. And then the last one is the physical layer. So in the physical layer, it is the foundation of the layer that deals with the physical connection. Cables, switches, and signal transmissions are example for the physical layer. So we can discuss once again. So physical layer, it is the foundation of the layer that deals with the physical connection. And then cables, switches, and signal transmissions are example for the physical layer. And then coming to the next layer, data link layer, it ensures error-free data transfer between two directly connected nodes and manages framing. And then come to the next layer, it is the network layer. It handles the routing, addressing, and delivery across network. It's like a GPS for the data packets. And then next one is the transportation layer. It ensures reliable data transfer through error detection, flow control, and data segmentation. And then next one is the sessions layer, responsible for establishing, managing, and terminating the sessions between applications. And then comes the presentation layer. This layer ensures that the data is in a readable format for the application, and it handles the encryption, compression, and translation of the data formats. And the last one, the application layer, it is known as the user interaction, and the user interaction is happening between these two lines. For example, we can tell that web email are example for this. And from this one, we have a sender side and a receiver side. So from sender side, the data will be passed through application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link layer and physical layer. And when it is reaches as the receiver side, it will reach at the first at the physical layer, and then only the data will be passed to data link layer, and then network layer, then transport layer, then sessions layer, and then presentation layer, and then at last the application layer. Thank you for watching this video on the OSI model. I hope this breakdown has clarified how the 7 layers work together to make communication possible. If you found this video helpful, drop your questions in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.